Welcome back to my channel. Keep watching if you want to see how I got these super cute mini twists. Now before I start anything, I am saying a little prayer to God to give me patience through this because this is not going to be an easy task, but the outcome is so worth it. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair that has been air dried overnight. And so right now I am just next I'm taking my rat tail comb and I am parting a small section off from the back. I'm going to be doing these twists in small rows that will lead from the back all the way up to the top of my hair. Each twist should be about a 1/2 inch size, and first you want to go in with 1/2 and 1/2, which is a hydrating silkening hair milk by Aunt Jackie's, and apply that to your hair. Next I'm going in with Don't Shrink, and this is an elongating flaxseed gel which is perfect for twists or braid outs or any style that you want to maintain the lift. So I'm applying a nickel size of Don't Shrink to the section. Once the hair is nice and prepped, you want to twist from the roots down using 2 sections of the mini section you created, and this is how you are going to create your mini twist. Now you're going to repeat the same steps all over your entire head. Now that I'm moving on to the top section, I'm going to take 1/2 and 1/2 and spray this all throughout my hair. This product is great for adding moisture and softness, and it really also helps with detangling. Twisted all of my hair, and now I'm going to go in with Don't Shrink to lay my edges. I love Don't Shrink. It has never flaked on me, and it holds my edges down really well. Here is the final look, you guys. I can't believe I made it through and put these mini twists all throughout my hair, but I'm so happy that I did because I love the results. Here is a look at the back. As you can see, there's tons of movement. Don't Shrink is a great lightweight gel that offers amazing definition and hold, and 1/2 and 1/2 is going to lock in that moisture for you. So I love these twists. I'll be wearing them for a while. If you guys want to do these twists and you want to use the products that I used, you can find Aunt Jackie's products at HEB stores on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching.